Mary, did you take the croissants from table 5?
No, I didn't. Why?
They are gone. The guest called the front desk. He is not happy.
Oh, no. Let me check the kitchen. John, I found the problem. The new staff put the croissants on the wrong table.
Which table?
Table 2. A different guest ate them.
Okay, what do we do now?
I already talked to the chef. He is making fresh croissants right now.
Good. How long?
10 minutes. I will bring them to table 5 personally.
Perfect. And I will call the guest to apologize.
Yes, tell him it was our mistake. Offer him a free coffee, too.
Good idea. He will feel better.
We fix small problems fast. That is good service.
Agreed. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Let's keep the guests happy.